Explore SITURA's sustainability efforts. From design to production, we're dedicated to minimizing our environmental impact for a brighter future. SITURA Incorporated is a global leading supplier and manufacturer of waterproof expansion joints for roofing and waterproofing applications. Exciting news! SITURA sets a new industry standard with Verified Environmental Product Declarations, EPD, for waterproof expansion joints. SITURA's EPD serves as a valuable tool for benchmarking and comparison, adhering to internationally recognized standards such as ISO 14025 and EN 15804. SITURA joints seal the building's interior from the elements, providing for building envelope continuity, a significant lead benefit. Every SITURA joint is custom fabricated and engineered to fit any design condition, no matter how complex. SITURA joint installations do not require any fasteners, metal flashings, or wood blocking. With SITURA, there is no use of solvents to pressure treat wood and no requirement for wood cant strips or wood curbs, eliminating the need for lumber. SITURA's technical expertise provides for a custom, revolutionary product solution that is supplied on demand, in a single continuous roll, with all components factory fabricated. SITURA is dedicated to maximizing recycling efforts and committed to reducing emissions through sustainable product shipping and decreasing supply chain waste. SITURA reduces the carbon footprint of fabrication and manufacturing with 100% renewable energy using bullfrog power, a spark power company. SITURA's in-house technical team is dedicated to help with design details and specifications. SITURA's expert technicians provide technical site support to the installer both in person and virtually via SITURA's state-of-the-art virtual studio. By choosing SITURA joints, you are choosing environmentally conscious products and providing greener solutions to your employees and customers. For more information, please visit www.situra.com.